नीट यूजी रिटेस्ट पर चली युद्धकालीन प्रस्तुति जातीय परीक्षा एजेंसी डीजी अभिषेक सिंह कहते जे भली कौन भूल न हुए से एनटीए 100% प्रतिबद्ध प्रत्येक प्रश्नपत्र संपूर्ण सुरक्षित भाव में प्रस्तुत कर प्रश्नपत्र प्रस्तुति ठारू स्थानांतर जाए जेभली कौन आपत्ति न आसे ता निश्चित करने सबु प्रकार सतर्कता अवलंबन आम करिछु। गृह मंत्रालय अर्धसामरिक बाहिनी डाक विभाग प्रतिरक्षा मंत्रालय वैदेशिक व्यापार मंत्रालय राज्य सरकार राज्य पुलिस राज्य प्रशासन समस्ते एनटीए को साहाय्य करुछन्ते।
See, the commitment of the government is to conduct a safe, secure examination. As far as use of IF and all is there, is because of the functional requirement. Because this time, after the exam was cancelled, we are conducting this examination in 37 days. On 15th of May, it was announced that the examination will be conducted on 21st June. Normally, preparation for this exam requires 5 to 6 months. So when you have to compress everything, the time taken to set the question papers without any malpractice, the time taken to proofread them, the time taken to translate them in 13 Indian languages, the time taken to print them, 22 lakh question papers, multiple sets, and then the time taken to transport it. So we have tried to compress every step in this whole process for us to be able to conduct this examination in 37 days. So transportation normally would take 15 to 20 days. So in order to compress that time, Ministry of Defence and Indian Air Force they offered their services, so that has helped us in compressing that 15 to 20 days of movement to around 3 to 4 days. So that has helped in ensuring that the examination is conducted as early as possible, because if the results are delayed, the medical semester will be delayed. It will have a trickle-down effect on the entire academic cycle. So what happened on 3rd of May was unfortunate, but what the government has done is brought all machinery together. Every institution of government is helping NTA in the interest of 22 lakh students to be able to ensure we are able to do the exam in a timely manner.
गाड़ी किनिबा को भाबुछंती ताले आसंतो कार बाजार जोटी आपन को मिलिबो लो प्राइस कार ठु आरंभ करी लग्जरियस कार्स 10,000 किलोमीटर पर्यंत वारंटी और अफोर्डेबल प्राइस रे औ हां एबे आपनकर फेवरेट कार बाजार रो सेकंड आउटलेट खोली जायछि ऑपोजिट ऑफ एस्थेटिक वर्ल्ड पहाड़ भुवनेश्वर ताले बे लो प्राइस रे लग्जरियस कार किनंतो केवल कार बाजार रु।